Today we will be removing and replacing the temperature sensor on this Frigidaire freestanding gas range.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Symptoms of a faulty temperature sensor will be the oven not getting hot enough or the oven getting too hot. To begin the repair, you must first access the rear of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, remember to disconnect the power from the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tool to complete this repair. To remove your bottom rear panel, you remove the 1/4-inch screws. Place it to the side. To remove your temperature sensor, first disconnect the Molex connector. Next, there will be a 1/4-inch screw holding in the sensor. Once removed, give it a spin counterclockwise and it pulls straight out. To install your temperature sensor, first slide the probe through the keyed hole. Going vertically, give it a spin about 1/4 of the way clockwise into the keyed slot. Line your screw hole up. Place your 1/4-inch screw. Reconnect your Molex. Now we can reinstall our back panel. To reinstall the bottom rear panel, slide the panel into place. It's best to get the middle one in first. That'll hold it in place to line up your other screws. And this will complete the repair.
Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.